Asus RP-AX58 AX3000 Wi-Fi extender setup 6 here step-by-step guide in this video. So step 1 will be plug in the extender, connect the RP-AX58 to a power outlet near your existing router. Wait for the LED indicator to turn solid blue, signaling it's ready for setup. The steps 2 will be download the ASUS Router App, install the ASUS Router App on your smartphone, launch the app and follow the on-screen instructions to begin with the setup process that you will need further. Step 3 will be connect to the extender here, open the Wi-Fi setting on your phone, connect to the Wi-Fi network broadcasted by RP-AX58. Step 4 will be configure the extender here. Follow the prompts in the ASUS Router app to select your existing Wi-Fi network, enter your Wi-Fi password. Choose whether to keep the same SSID or create a new one before the extended network. The final and fifth step will be completing the setup. Wait for the app to confirm the RP-AX58 has successfully connected to your router. Place the extender in a location optimizes coverage, typically halfway. This is the video.